Hello and welcome to this session on Git and GitHub beginner tutorial. Today we are going to learn about branching and merging. What branches are exactly in Git? Whenever you want to do some changes in your code or you want to add some new feature in your application, it is not recommended that you do all the changes in the main branch or the master branch. It is recommended that you create a new branch for yourself, check out that branch and do all the changes, additions in that branch, and after testing and validating everything is working fine, we merge those changes in the main branch. So that is why we create branches in Git. So we are going to see how do we create branches. We will check out a branch, we will merge the branch to the main branch, which is master, and then we will also see how can we delete a branch both from local as well as from the remote. Just to begin, let me go to my GitHub account and show you. As of now I have a single branch, and by default we have a master branch. So we were working on our repository 1, and you must have seen in my last session that I have created this repo 1, and I am recording this tutorial on a Mac, but even if you are on Windows, the process will exactly be the same. The only difference in Git between Mac, Windows or Linux is the initial installation process that we have already covered in the last two sessions, right? And going forward everything will be exactly be the same, so do not worry. If you are on Windows, you can just follow the same commands and the process. I have come to my repo 1 on GitHub, and you can see I just have a single branch, which is the master branch, right? And now we have to create a new branch. Okay, so let us begin, and step 1 will be create branch, and the command will be git branch and the whatever name you want to give to your branch. Okay, let us go to our terminal, and let me go to the folder or the project that is being tracked by Git. So it is located at desktop tools Git my folder. So I am in that folder now. I will also open this folder physically so that you can see the changes. Let me hide the sidebar and let me show you what exactly is happening here. Okay, so now I will say, let me check the git status for now, and everything is clean. And now I will say git branch, and let me say my new branch. So this is the branch name, and it has created the new branch, but I am still on the master branch on my local. I have to check out. So what has happened here is, this is what exactly has happened. We are at this position with our project. Okay, this is at the current position of our project, and we have a master branch, and now we have a new branch which is which I have named as my new branch, but the branch is not yet checked out, right? To start working on the branch I have to check out it. Okay, so the next step will be check out branch. Okay, and the command is git checkout and the branch name. Okay, so I will say git checkout my new branch, and now our local is on the new branch. Whatever changes I make here on my project or folder will go to the new branch. So this is the status now. I have to add some features. I have checked out this new branch, and I will make all the changes here, and then I will merge it to the main branch or master. Also we can go to our GitHub, and now we can see, uh, sorry, let me go back again. Let us go to our repo. Okay, you can see still I have single branch because I have not changed anything and pushed the branch yet, so it is still showing one branch. So now let us do some changes because we have already checked out our branch. Let us do some changes. Let me add a new file test2.txt, and this is added here. Okay, uh, let us see git status now, and we have to add it. All these commands we have learned in our last session. I hope this should be okay. I'll directly add the commands here. We have to commit it, add a commit message, edit test2.txt, and yes, the commit is now done. Okay, so if we see git status now, everything is clean, but we still have to push it right to the main repository, remote repository. So we'll say git push -u origin my new branch, and after this the branch should be visible on the remote repository. So this is done. Let us go and refresh our remote repository, and now yes, you can see we have two branches now, right? And I click here and you can see the changes as well. This is my new branch. If I click here, you can see test2.txt, but if I go to my master branch, I will not see test2.txt because it is still not merged to the master branch. The same thing we can see here as well. Now you can see this test2.txt here. Let's say if I check out master branch, this will not be available. So let me do that. I will now check out master, and you can see it got invisible. It's not available for master. Okay. So now we have to merge to master, right? Merge new branch in master branch, and the command is git merge and the branch name. And the only thing to notice here is when you are merging to master, you have to first check out master and then you have to say git merge and your new branch, and now it is merged and you can see this is now available in master itself. Right now we have got test2.txt in master, but still if you go here you will not see test2.txt in master because we have not yet pushed the changes. So we will let us push as well. I will say git push -u origin master, and after this both our new branch and master should be equivalent and should be in sync. So yes, it has done now. Let me refresh it, and yes, you can see test2.txt is in master branch as well. And if I switch to my new branch, you will see this message: the branch is even with master. That means all the changes which is done in this branch are being merged into master. So this is how we can create and merge branch. And now suppose the purpose for which we have created this new branch is over. We have done the changes and we have validated and uh, pushed the changes and merged the changes to master. Now we no longer need this branch, so we will need to delete the branch. So for that, what do we do? To delete branch, we can say git branch -t and the branch name. Now this will delete only from your local. So if I say git branch -t my new branch, see it is saying deleted my new branch. Okay, but if you go to your uh, remote GitHub, you will still see the branch here. So you can still see there are two branches. My new branch is still there, right? So for that you have to delete from remote. So this will delete from your local, and git push origin -delete and the branch name. This will delete from remote. So let us try doing that. Git push origin minus minus delete my new branch, and it is trying to delete from remote, and see this is showing deleted. And if now I go to branches, now you can see my new branch is no longer there, and we now only have a single branch. Okay, so this is how we can uh, create a branch, check out a branch, do our changes, merge to master, and then delete the branch from local as well as remote. So keep learning Git. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.